This is Code.org, and we are taking a look at routers. All right, so let's talk about this. First off, routers are what allows us to be, is one way to be connected to the internet. And we don't have to go through a bunch of different points, right? Before the whole class was connected, at this time, though, we can just connect to a single access point. Now, the way we keep track of this in the computer world is everyone's assigned an IP address, which is just a number that is assigned to identify. It's like an ID, identify that person. And it's so we know where if you go to, I have no idea, Amazon.com, and it makes that request, how does the computer or the network or the internets know where to send that website data back to? Right? It uses an IP address to direct it. It's just like your home address in that way. And that's what usually they're big long things, but this is a short one, boom and boom. So now let's go ahead and send a message. So hello world, cool. And let me hit send. And let me go ahead and send one back through the magic of this video. Hello there. And let's take a look at the router. We even have some router stats here. And this is just telling us, well, obviously memory used, how much uptime, packets, exchange packets is just data. And we can browse the log of any information going to and from this router. There's my message, there was the response. Cool. And this is kind of just playing around with, how the internet actually works. Think of a router as a central access point that everyone can connect to get on the internet. I'm excited to see what we're going to do with this. Onward.